So in this video I'm going to install the filter. It's not the final filter, it's temporary, but as there was a bit of rain, I'm scared that I don't install a filter and all the trash will go in the tube, and there is a little of water that is coming already. Still, I did not close all the holes of on the previous video, the dam I made. So now I'll install this filter, and then I will inspect the turbine on the bottom, because I did not do it this year. I want to check if the bearings are okay, and if I need to add grease or maybe replace them. So that's it. The filter is ready. Okay, so it's working good. There's no play. Here it's rusty because I put a metal plate on top, and for some reason it touched the rotor, it touched it. So now it's rusty, but normally it should not rust. It's turning perfectly fine. I need to check the Pelton below. It's clean, even too clean. The Pelton is like new. That's the advantage of the aluminium. It never gets old. Even you see, for example, I use bolts that are in metal and they are rusty, and the aluminium don't, like, it's brand new. It looks like brand new. So it's ready. I just need to put it back, align. I think the bearing don't need lubricant because it's on very smooth, so it's ready for the winter. So I put it back in place. As you can see, I use wood on the bottom, on the sides here, to make sure that the water can escape below, and I will try to level it. It doesn't need to be leveled perfectly, but just so that it doesn't force too much on the sides. Well, even like this, it's enough. It's perfect. As you can see, with one finger, it turned perfectly fine. To align, I usually go on this side here and check if the pipe there is aligned correctly. If it's a bit on the side or too much in the interior of the pelton, it reduces efficiency. But right now I think it's okay. Maybe, yeah, it should be good. Now I just put in place a protection for the rain. This is like the top part of the washing machine. I really like to use everything that I have. I don't like to I like to recycle basically. At the end it's cheaper and it does the job perfectly fine than putting a metal plate. And even if there is a problem and it touches the rotor like I had with a metal plate, at least it doesn't it can kill this plate but not the rotor. So I prefer it this way. Maybe I could use instead of metal, basic metal, I could use like a stainless steel or inox, because like this it would not be rusty like it is now. But it's fine. As you can see, I did not come for 1 year. For 1 year I did not come down here, and it's perfectly fine. So I don't see the necessity of changing anything. Yep, that's it. Now we'll just close the valve because it was opened. I left it open the whole summer. I close it because I want to open it when there is the rain. I like to see it starting to rotate. It's like a bit of a pleasure. What you see here is the front part of the washing machine. I keep it here because below I have some cables. Basically the 3-phase cable are attached to an extension to go here, to go to the bridge rectifier. This is the casing of the washing machine. I just put a plastic on top to make sure that it's waterproof. And this is the bridge rectifier behind. I used this like a computer heatsink with thermal paste. Like this, I'm sure that it's not overheating. And you see, that's the input and that's the output. By the way, this should be here inside. I don't know what happened. Like this. I need to make the connection here, but it's I think an animal touched it. So yeah, it's a small waterproof box. I made this box because before I was using different kind of hydro generator, and I was using a charge controller Even I had a battery and an inverter here, so it needed to be quite big and waterproof, but now I don't need it. Basically I could remove it and just put a small box just for the bridge rectifier. So yeah, that's why it looks like a mess with this thing. I could use another thing, but like I said, I like to recycle things, and why throw it if I can use it here. So that's it, it's ready for the winter, and I will make a video when I will start it if you want to check it.